Hi everyone, my name is Parikshit Khanna and I welcome you back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about most important principle which I have learned long time ago. The principle is called Kaizen. Kaizen means constant improvement every single day. Kaizen also means that you are improving every day or you are improving 1% of every day. The philosopher, according to the philosopher that explains about Kaizen, he believes that if you follow the Kaizen, you will improve 10,000% or 365% in a day. According to him, if you want to learn anything, start working on that particular thing 1% every day. Suppose you want to lose weight and you want to walk 1,000 steps. You can do it by walking one step today, one step tomorrow, and maybe after 1 year you might be walking 365 steps in a year, which is much better than 0%. If you are working on losing a weight, then focus on losing 1 kg in a month or 2 months. Then focus on losing 2 kg, then focus on losing 3 kg, but don't focus on losing 10 kg in a year. You can still practice losing some amount of kg, but take it in small chunks. If you want to wake up by suppose 5 a.m., so you have to first try to wake up by 7 a.m., then 6 a.m., then 5 a.m. will work, but not 5 a.m. in a day. If you want to wake up early, suppose you're waking up by 10 a.m., first try to wake up by 9 a.m., then try to wake up by 8 a.m., then try to wake up by 7, then 6, then 5. Within a month, if you practice Kaizen, waking up even 30 minutes earlier of your natural time, you will be waking up by 5 a.m. in a month time, but only you have to take this process very slowly. So this is what I have learned from Kaizen. Using this principle, I think you might not be able to achieve the goal, but yes, you will be reaching towards it. So if you're working towards a deadline and you're procrastinating, so according to the Kaizen, you should start, even 1% of the work towards that particular goal. So I think it's better to do something than doing nothing at all. So in that manner, you will be able to complete some amount of work than doing 0% of any work. If you want to learn something and you feel that particular work is difficult, you can start by doing 1% of that work. It will build up confidence in you that this work can be done. So according to me, this is the way Kaizen should be, and I'm also implementing the Kaizen in a similar fashion. So if you like the video, click on like button. If you want to comment something, you can comment. And if you like my channel, click on subscribe button. Thank you so much.